Dop 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 dop. Dum 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 dum. Dum 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 dum. Lag. Dum 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 dum. Da 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 da. Hello! I have returned! Good morning. I am back, ladies and gentlemen. How you guys doing? Goodness. Oh. Puff, 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 puff.
Commit and push immediately, and then go gagging.
Ooh, flag. Hello, guys. Hope you're having a good day so far. Welcome back to the show.
Hi.
12 days, guys. 12 days, guys. I have good news. I have good news, chat. I spent all night, but the trailer is done. Trailer is done, my brothers. Bruh. It was a lot of work, but I'm proud that I managed to do it. Pop. The bleep pops. Oof. Good day, my brothers. Mr. Morning, Mr. Null Exception, Mr. Shaded, Mr. Hazelnuts, Mr. Free Space, Mr. Nature Snack. Nature, my man. Congratulations on Lyric yesterday, bro. I saw that on Discord. Is that you again? Yeah. That peak was Lyric. How long did he play for? Half an hour? It's a very short spike, but regardless, it's a spike, isn't it? Half an hour? Something like that? Very nice. Congratulations, bro. Cool. He rage quit because he bad. Yeah. Goodness. Yeah, let me pin the YouTube messages though. Wait. I'm gonna pin that. Yeah, first and foremost, my brothers, I want to apologize for yesterday. I was stressed out the wazoo. I had a lot of pressure on me to perform, and things didn't go very well. Didn't see very well that it would go. I didn't see that it would go very well, stuff like that. And yeah, then the stupid headache also happened, right? Which yeah, didn't help. But yeah, so I'm sorry. Should not have streamed. Should have probably just gone to sleep instead. Which, after I went to sleep, I felt better. I needed like till 9 p.m. I needed to sleep till then to recover. So it was like, I think 3 to 4 hours of sleep. Which, yeah. It helped. I felt better, and then I was able to make a lot of changes to the game and work on the trailer, which I'm gonna show you in a second. I wanna get some feedback on it. To see what you guys think. And also, I wanna then upload it to Steam. I joke all the time, but I hope you feel well. Well, yeah, so basically I did not sleep at all today. And the entire night. So I'll be streaming until I feel like I need to sleep, and then I'll go to sleep. But I still need to prepare some stuff so that I can upload the trailer and email the YouTubers. So that's what we're gonna do now. I've basically prepared this scenery right here. Wow. Holy cow. To goodness. Prepared the scenery right here to do some screenshots for the trailer. Record something. You're stretching yourself thin. Yeah, I hope it pays off. So I want to talk to you, Nature, about... obviously, this is your first time to write. And you don't know if you did something right. Maybe with the emails. But I'd like to know, like, what type of email did you send out to YouTubers? How many did you reach out to? And when did you reach out to them? Because you got one person to play your game, which I think it was Sifty. He copied you. So what does that mean, he copied me? What did he copy from me? Could you just send me your email template over Discord in a DM? So I can take a look at it? Because I'm about to send out my email too. I'll probably do that tonight once I have slept. Sure, awesome. And how many emails did you send out? Like, the people that I have talked to, you know, they were like, I've sent 2,000 emails, and I'm like, bruh. I was looking at every single one that played Click and Conquer, and every single one that played Gnomes. And if I take all of those YouTubers and email them too, I'm not getting through. I'm not getting to 2,000 emails. I feel like the 2,000 number. The thing is, I think even if, especially if you use Keymailer, there's a lot of mails and YouTubers that will just not. Like, I see it like this. You reach out to your YouTuber that is 100% not going to respond to your email. So why? Why, right? Why are you screaming? Why are you listening? I'm streaming because I want to scream. I want to emphasize what I'm trying to say here. Okay? Guys, we have a problem in the game, by the way. This ability is OP. Split is OP. Whoa. And yeah, split and yeah, the bleed explosions are kind of OP too. But yeah, guys, what do you think about Tangy with the not helmet? What is it called? What do you think about Tangy with the wizard head? You like it?
Hello, Cakez.
I spent quite a bit of time, you know, animating her. When this shit happens, it's lagging. It's crazy. Also, we have another problem. Let me show you. I'll prepare one for you. I don't know how that happens, but I have a breakpoint, guys. I have a breakpoint, okay? You ready? Oh, I added in new items too. I feel like I'm missing one thing. Projectile count, I guess. So, I have seen 50,000 damage in a game. I don't know how, but watch this. Not yet. Not enough enemies. Not yet. Oh. Wait. One sec. What item did I put as an offhand for her? Was it this one? Nah. It was a different offhand item. What did I put as an offhand for her? I mean, I don't really have that many offhands, so it's gotta be this. Okay. I mean, I'll just put it as this. And then she gets the crown. Yeah, I added a new item, the crown, which is one of the first healer items. So, I have seen 50,000 damage somehow. I want to know why. How? I just saw 15,000. How the hell? 30,000. I don't know how. How she dealt 50,000 in the other one. Oh my god! What did you do, lady? What? Huh? I have a breakpoint. I saw 15,000 damage. Am I blind? There was definitely 50,000 there. Shit, she's dead. Record it? Yeah, I'll be slow motion. Toggle. Slow motion. Huh? I think the reskin looks nice, but changes felt better. 3,000. Here it is. Oh. Maybe it was just a mistake? No, I don't see 50,000. Maybe they're just stupid. It could be text overlapping here. Oh my god. This is what kills everything, by the way. This. She's shooting 3 projectiles. Really cool. I love that slow-mo effect. Here it is. Oh my god. Oh my god. What the hell happened here? Yeah, this is why... This is why the game lags, by the way, sometimes. When this happens. Track the highest damage somewhere on screen. Oh. Oof. Ah! This is so fucking insane. Yeah, I need to get rid of... I need to somehow find a solution to that, but we'll be doing the balancing later. It's fine. Holy cow. No, I don't believe it. Let me see. So, but okay. Anyways. Chat. I am proud to announce my new trailer. Tell me what you guys think, okay? Just gotta figure out where I put it. This is it. It is 1 minute and 54 seconds. Okay. You guys ready for the new trailer? Hey Cakez, if you were to create Path of Exile / Diablo 3 game ARPG, would you use, what would you use? C++ and Relic or something else? Oof, tough question. Definitely C++. But man, it's a lot of work. How do you feel today? I'm very tired, but I don't have a headache. I feel good. Just ate. And when I'm done with the stream, I'm finally going to sleep. But I feel proud. I feel happy and proud because I finally did the trailer. I'm a little bit too late in releasing my trailer. And before we actually do this, I asked Nature a question and completely ignored him. Let's see. Add Nature. No, can I click on him like that? No, / user nature _ snack. No, you told me when you sent the email and stuff, right? You sent just under 300 mails, so that's as much as I have. I DM'd you, Cakes. There's a gem version and a small demo on it as well. What's up? Oh, when did you send them? When did you send the mails before the Steam Next Fest? So you know that you knew that you're gonna release the demo. When did you send the mails? Like 2 weeks before, 1 week before? Check the mail. Check the mail. Okay. Thank you very much. And you know, this is the awesome part. I want to talk about. We are so, and I am so lucky that there are so many different game developers here in chat that we can pool just an insane amount of information together, and we can learn so much from each other, and you know, have examples, and it's just, it's amazing. I was not expecting this when I started to stream, but it's awesome to have this happening, if that makes sense. Yeah, chat being helpful, being nice and stuff like that. We went a long way from just fucking around and, you know, like, yeah, we still fuck around, but we have people here that genuinely try to make games and genuinely try to help each other and still fuck around too, which is great. And yeah, it's awesome because me, myself, I want to learn from others and I want to teach others too. So it's cool, really cool. And having someone or some people in the community do well, you know, is awesome too. It's great. We met so many cool people. You guys remember we met Tommy? We talked to Tommy, you know, we talked to Thornity as well. You know, Null Exception. And then Ramis, Mr. Real, super cool as well. Super cool has been here for a long time. It's like many others too. I forget names. And so, yeah, people are going to be mad that I forget names. But I'm tired. Okay, fuck you. So this is the mail. Can I show the mail template on stream? Mr. Nature? Okay, so this is the mail Nature sent. Can I? Cool, that works. Hello, blah, blah, blah. The demo for my upcoming game, The Looper, launches on February 16th. And you sent the mail out. You just said it, right? The demo went live on the 16th. And then sent mails on the 100 mails on the 13th, 14th, 15th. So wait. You sent mails on the 13th, 14th, and 15th, and then 1 day later the demo went live. Okay, and when the demo went live, not obviously people were not playing it immediately because you sent the mails so late. Is that? I can literally look it up myself, can I? Let's see. We're talking about this game here, but on release you immediately had 100. People playing. So you got one person played, Sifty made a video about your game immediately. Is that how it works? How it worked? Let's see. The demo for my upcoming game launches on 16th and we'll be participating in the upcoming Steam Next Fest as well. It would be amazing if you want to create content for the demo, either when it launches or as part of the next fest. An early key is included in this mail in the event that you like to check it out before it goes live. Cool. The Looper is an idle-like roguelike game where a car looped, locked endlessly in loops, picards, blah blah. Then sit back and relax as the mesmerizing loop gets going. Steam. Boom. Trailer. Boom. Demo release date. Boom. Embargo. You put an embargo too, I see. I will not do any embargo, but yeah. Game demo key. I like this, by the way. And because I'm a creator too, right? I get these emails as well. I hate when people make me answer the mail or click a link so I can get the key in the next step. Either you include the fucking key in your mail or you piss off. I hate it. I hate that extra step. Like I want to copy and send key. That's why I have Skelecella. By the way. Why do I have Skelecella? Because he sent me a key. Copy paste. I had to restart Steam because Steam wouldn't open the fucking window, but that's not on him. That's on Steam. Press kit, contact. Early full release offer. I'm offering a handful of creators early access to the full release. If you want, reply to this email with early access. Ah, that's cool. Okay, very nice. Thank you very much for the template. I appreciate that a lot. There's always something to learn from. I have a template myself, which I'll be using. But yeah, good stuff, man. Thank you very much for the info as well. Sifty made a video right before it released. Okay, I get it. Did you also leak all the keys in the Discord after sending the mails? That is required to be a good... Ah, shut the fuck up. Fucking like... Yeah, that happened, okay? Supaku's fighting his own demon to not be toxic like the others. No. Supaku is more focused on making a game than on trolling. Oh, I wish you good luck, by the way, Mr. Supaku, like always. I still think that roguelike game takes too long. I don't know why. I feel like it's taking too long. But I did not play Rogue Tower, so I can't tell how much goes in there. But he's not making Rogue Tower. He's making like Rogue Tower, but better, right? What I saw looked amazing, man. Anyways, did you get any good feedback from the Reddit post? So, yeah, we talk about the Reddit post in a second. Guys, trailer time. Trailer number 2. Now, this is not the most perfect trailer. Okay? I'm still looking for feedback. I'll be turning off my camera and the chat. Watch the trailer. Then talk about feedback, okay? The trailer has not played yet, 2 out of 10. Okay, I'll be banning you if you do that. Pausing notifications because people will be an asshole. I know that already. All right. Tangy TD is all about combining items to create powerful builds, which make... It's too quiet, sorry. I'll be doing it again. There we go. Tangy TD is all about combining items to create powerful builds, which make damage numbers go crazy. You play as Hero Tangy, who can freely move around, attack enemies, and even reposition your towers. Enemies spawn in rounds and will try to destroy all the orange trees on the map. If they succeed, the game is lost. But fear not, there are multiple ways to stop them. Level up Tangy by attacking enemies, and choose 1 out of 3 upgrades every time you level up. Place up to 3 class-based towers, each with unique items and abilities. The defender specializes in blocking enemies and melee combat. The healer heals everyone in range, but can also shoot deadly bolts of lightning and ice. The ranger can hit flying units the defender can't reach and deals damage from afar. Towers have 4 item slots, allowing for a multitude of different combinations. But the end result is always the same. Massive screen-wide explosions, which make damage numbers go absolutely crazy. This is all possible because of a deep stat system and a massive skill tree with over 300 nodes that grant permanent buffs. Nodes can be unlocked by spending skill points, and skill points can be earned by defeating enemies in missions. So even if you don't win, you are always progressing and getting stronger. Currently, there are 8 missions and 6 bosses to explore, each with unique mechanics and abilities to overcome. The main game is likely going to take you 2 to 3 hours, and you can always replay levels to complete challenges, earning you more stars in the process that can be spent on powerful upgrades. There's also a ranked endless mode available that unlocks after you win a mission for the first time. Here you compete on a global leaderboard, facing an unending swarm of enemies and bosses that progressively get stronger until they overwhelm you. That's all you need to know for now. I hope you enjoy Tangy TD. Tangy TD is all about combining items to create powerful builds, which make damage numbers. God damn it! I saw a small little lag though. 2 to 3 hours, and you can always... Video's really good, but not sure for the voice narrator. Okay, bro. Good job, the map plus challenge mode, you undersold it, you didn't feel. confident when talking about it, Cakes.
Replay levels to complete challenges, earning you more stars in the process that can be spent on powerful upgrades. There's also a ranked endless mode available that unlocks after you win a mission for the first time. Here you compete.
Here, there was a
mission for the first time.
Hey, stop
Here
lagging.
you compete.
There's... I think I need to do something here.
That unlocks after
Zoom
you win
out.
a mission for the first time. Here you compete.
Yeah. It's definitely... 2 to 3 hour game for 2 hours, for 8 euros. It's more because of the endless mode, but yeah. Don't mention the hours part, bro. It's silly. Nah. We'll be fixing that. I'll be fixing that. Let's see. So, okay, well, I was working double things. Delete that. Workspace, dual screen off. Okay, so let's see. I can delete that if you guys think so.
The main game is likely going to take you 2 to 3 hours, and you can always replay levels to complete challenges, earning you more stars in the process that can be spent on powerful upgrades and abilities to overcome. The main game is likely going to take you 2 to 3 hours, and you can always... The main game is likely going to take...
Yeah, but then...
And you can always replay levels to complete challenges, earning you more stars in the process. 3 hours, and you can always replay... And you can always replay levels to complete challenges, earning you more stars in the process.
Wait.
And getting stronger. Currently, there are 8 missions and 6 bosses to explore, each with unique mechanics and abilities to overcome. And you can always replay levels to complete challenges.
Okay, so basically I'm just gonna do and you can.
And you can always replay levels to complete challenges.
Okay, we could do that. That's fine. Let me see. So how much... I need to like unlock a bunch of stuff here. Oof. So we're gonna keep this locked for now. Unlock these parts. Let me also do this so you guys can see me. There you go. Okay, so you like the rest apart from this. Good to know. Thank you guys I appreciate the feedback. That's fine.
The main game is likely going to take you 2 to 3 hours, and you can always...
So we take out this part. And then I need to make sure that I just take this and I make that thing faster. That did not work.
You can always replay levels to complete challenges.
Let's see. I think I have better ones. Okay. Let's move that in. Huh? Oh, I see. That one too.
To overcome, and you can always replay levels to complete challenges, earning you more stars in the process that can be spent on powerful upgrades. There's also a ranked endless mode available that unlocks after you win a mission for the first time. Here you compete.
Here. So this is the part that sucks, but I have created 2 clips here that are better.
There's also a ranked endless
so we're gonna fix that part in the trailer then. That's okay. Let's see if I can make it. Gonna zoom that over here. Then we're gonna do that. Put that here. Let's see. How does it look?
There's also a rank.
Ah, okay. So they need to be inverted. Whoops. So this one needs to be here. This one needs to be here. So basically, the orange one is
that can be
zoom out. The green one is zoom in. All right. So basically, I created these two clips to quickly zoom in and out, and all I have to do is just change these handles here. These they're called keyframes. And then it's just gonna zoom in properly.
There's also ranked endless mode.
But it was lagging a bit.
Powerful upgrades. There's also ranked endless mode available that unlocks after you win a mission for the first time. Here you compete on a global leaderboard, facing an unending swarm of enemies and bosses that progressively get stronger until they overwhelm you. That's all you need to know for now. I hope you enjoy Tangy TD.
I have a suggestion. How about you end with a really crazy scene where lots of enemies? I did though. I did.
Stronger until they overwhelm you.
Yeah, I mean, I could also do a different one here. I have some others.
Progressively get stronger until they overwhelm you. That's all you need to know for now. I hope you enjoy Tangy TD.
Will you also consider people watching the trailer? Yeah, of course. Like every trailer, every part of the trailer, you see something, right? Like if you scrub, you do see. Like I can show this as well, right? Wait, orange is at the end? Oh yeah, you're right. That is correct. That's not good. Yeah, it's confusing. Yeah, thank you. I can't change this Tangy TD thing.
I hope you enjoy TD. That's all you need. I hope you enjoy.
Okay, I think the rest is fine. I mean, let's look at the inspiration. The thing is literally stolen from Thronefall.
That's all you need to know for now, and we hope you enjoy your reign in Thronefall.
Okay, they changed to that. Okay. That was yoink, yeah.
That's all you need to know.
Hey guys, I'm not afraid to say it, okay? I'm no pussy. It is how it is, okay? Let me see.
Tangy TD.
I could do...
I hope you enjoy Tangy TD. Tangy.
I see, this is not black. I'm not gonna click your alternative text because it's troll. It's a troll text. We just have a problem here though in this. Open in timeline. So we definitely... That's fine. Archer doesn't work. Healer doesn't work. And Witch needs to be a different PNG. Remove oranges and make logo bigger. Yeah, we'll see. Press kit. Game assets. I can use the Witch without defender. That's fine. You know, we could put that. Yeah, if the guy, you know, if the guy from the Red Potion Studios thing would have literally given me the Tangy with the wizard head like I asked him to, we would not have an issue right now. But he didn't. Hä? That's a bit too big here. Hey? What the hell? I don't get it. Make the sound deeper, lower pitch. What? From the sound effect? This here? Okay, I'll make a try. It sounds bad when I do that though. Guys, it doesn't matter. Okay, so let's get rid of this. Oopsie. Oops. All right, let's do that and that. Go here. Also do that. And like, what do we do? Do we move make her smaller? I mean, we could do that, yeah. The switch to this therapist is good, Cakez. They have grown on me. Yeah, we can talk about whatever that's called in a second. Okay. Then we have this. Whoops, that's the wrong one. We should... I probably now destroyed that trailer here, right? But it doesn't matter. This trailer doesn't matter. Because I'm no longer using it. And it's already done anyways. This is the part.
That's all you need to know for now. I hope you enjoy Tangy TD.
It'll change in a second. It's lagging. Unfortunately, it's lagging. The only issue I have is calling the fairies Tangies. It's a name. Someone is at the door. Who's at the door? Did my wife call? Doubt it. No. Who called then? Who's here? That again. I know exactly what this is. It's the freaking postman again. You guys remember the postman fucking ringing every single day? Oh. I'm not opening now. No.
Hope you enjoy Tangy TD.
So now, Tangy TD needs to have a solid color in the background. I mean, I could also do the background here, right? To have skyline. But do I? Do I? No, I can't show it because of the orange. I can't show it because of the orange, guys. Hey? What the hell? You can't be serious. You can't be fucking serious. Can you now? There must be something in this stupid compound clip. Logo. There's nothing in this compound clip. Here though. Too many compound clips. No, no, no. There's an adjustment clip here. Maybe that's the issue. Should I do this? It's lagging. Okay. Either I do blue or not, but I think it's fine. Sorry, I think it's okay. Tangy dress should be a different color. No, why? Like, it's green in the game. I'm not changing her color. Guys, can you, like... How's this green on green, retard? It's green on blue. Anyways. I think it's fine. I've seen worse. So, yeah.
Genau. For now, I hope you enjoy Tangy TD.
It's laggy, so I can't tell if it's timed correctly or not. It's just laggy. I don't know why this lags. It's so easy. Anyways, I'll keep it like this. It's fine. Gotta go frame by frame. I think it's fine. Okay, now let's look at the rest. But so far, I think we have it now, right? Cakez, you like the Cakez background more? Yeah. See? Okay, bro Cakez, that sounded someone is puking. Doesn't fucking matter. It's supposed to be a jizz, man. Fuck off. You're literally talking about a sound effect at the very end of the fucking thing, man. Shut up. Anyways, thank you guys for the feedback. I appreciate it. Apart from that, that's the only thing you guys did not like, right? Is me talking about the playtime. The trailer, the ending is not a problem. You guys are retarded. Sorry. You can see the date. Everything else is clean too. So I think there's one part that I need to do as well. There's one part that I saw that I should change, but otherwise, now the question becomes, playtime is embarrassing. Well, it can be longer than that, but people that are fast can get through this really quickly, which is fine, by the way. Thornity's game had a playtime of 1 to 2 hours. He put it in his mail. Playtime can be an expectation for creators as well. Jonas Tyrola says it too, but for him it's 8 to 12 hours. For me it's 2 to 3. Steam logo at the end for the Steam page, yeah. Okay. Didn't you say he's fairly easy yesterday? Why
Yo,
are
my
you
man,
struggling?
thank you very
Well,
much for
the first one was, yeah,
1,000
because he
bits?
didn't do any
1,100
damage. But
bits?
this one you can't see anything.
Bloody cheese.
And second, he's black.
Sorry, I totally missed that. I was muting so people didn't interrupt me. I appreciate that a lot, man.
Corgo 1000, Corgo 100.
I appreciate that, man. Thank you for the support. Hello, Cakez. Hello, Poseidon. I'm not gonna add subtitles, no. I took this idea from Jonas Tyrola. I like it, and I think the result is okay. It is not the best trailer ever, but it's also not terrible. So, trailer number 2. Let's put it into the press kit. Overwrite the other one. Let's listen to it one more time, shall we? Ready? Tangy TD is all about combining items to create powerful builds which make damage numbers go crazy. You play as hero.
Why is it lagging? Why is this breaking right now? Huh?
Hello. Who can freely move around. Tangy TD is all about combining items to create powerful builds which make damage numbers go crazy. You play as hero in Tangy, who can freely move around, attack enemies, and even reposition your towers. Enemies spawn in rounds and will try to destroy all the orange trees on the map. If they succeed, the game is lost. But fear not, there are multiple ways to stop them. Level up Tangy by attacking enemies and choose 1 out of 3 upgrades every time you level up. Place up to 3 class-based towers, each with unique items items and abilities. The defender specializes in blocking enemies and melee combat. The healer heals everyone in range, but can also shoot deadly bolts of lightning and ice. The ranger can hit flying units the defender can't reach and deals damage from afar. Towers have 4 item slots, allowing for a multitude of different combinations. But the end result is always the same. Massive screen-wide explosions which make damage numbers go absolutely crazy. This is all possible because of a deep stat system and a massive skill tree with over 300 nodes that grant permanent buffs. Nodes can be unlocked by spending skill points, and skill points can be earned by defeating enemies in missions. So even if you don't win, you are always progressing and getting stronger. Currently there are 8 missions and 6 bosses to explore, each with unique mechanics and abilities to overcome. And you can always replay levels to complete challenges, earning you more stars in the process that can be spent on powerful upgrades. There's also a ranked endless mode available that unlocks after you win a lag or powerful upgrades. There's also a ranked endless mode available upgrades. There's also a ranked endless mode available
it feels like there's a jump.
also a ranked endless mode available that unlocks after you win a mission for the first time. Here you compete on a global
This one's
leaderboard,
better now.
facing an unending swarm of enemies and bosses that progressively get stronger until they overwhelm you. That's all you need to know for now. I hope you enjoy Tangy TD.
I think it's fine.
Tangy TD is all about...
Now, there's one hiccup that was here after this. Yep, I know why, because of the zoom in. Like, I gotta remove those zoom in, zoom outs.
There's also a rank...
Oh my god, it's so laggy. It's gotten very laggy.
Grades. There's also...
Yeah, here's the jump. Why? Yeah, I have to... Let's see. I need to do green, yellow. Green, yellow, green. Then we should be good. All right, let's see. Let's begin with green. So essentially, green and yellow are zoomers, zoom clips. And the way this works is I zoom to a certain point. And then I start zooming from that point onwards. And I repeat. And so I don't have to always do the same zoom every time. Well, like, I don't always have to type it in. I just put the clips there. It's a little trick to save some time. Just gotta make sure that I alternate between green and orange. Here, what is this? What the hell? Okay, so this one was just misplaced. Let's see. Yep. Hey, can you stop? Thank you. Good stuff. And then I can disable those just to test real quick if it works.
Enemies and missions. So even if you don't win, you are always progressing and getting stronger. Currently, there are 8 missions and 6 bosses to explore, each with unique mechanics and abilities to overcome. And you can always replay levels to complete challenges, earning you more stars in the process that can be spent on powerful upgrades. There's also a ranked endless mode available that unlocks
Shit, I was looking at
more
shit.
stars in the process that can be spent on powerful upgrades. There's also a ranked endless mode available that unlocks after you win a mission for the first time.
Okay, I think that's fine. There's just one last thing. The anchor point here has to all be in the middle for those. I was zooming in to Africa, which is not what we want.
enemies and missions. So even if you don't win, you are always progressing and getting stronger. Currently, there are 8 missions and 6 bosses to explore, each with unique mechanics and abilities to overcome. And you can always replay levels to complete challenges, earning you more stars in the process that can be spent on powerful upgrades. There's also a ranked endless mode available
that feels a lot
unlocks
better.
after you win a mission for the first time. Here you compete on a global leaderboard facing an
Yeah, this is the... Oh, not now. What? Okay. All right. One more time. Think we're good now.
So even if you don't win, you are always progressing and getting stronger. Currently, there are 8 missions and 6
good.
bosses to explore, each with unique mechanics and abilities to overcome. And you can always replay levels to complete challenges, earning you more stars in the process that can be spent on powerful upgrades. There's also a ranked endless mode available that unlocks after you win a mission for the first time. Here you compete on a global leaderboard facing an unending swarm of enemies and bosses that progressively get stronger until they overwhelm you. That's all you need to know for now. I hope you enjoy Tangy TD.
Okay, I think that's good enough. All right, I like it.
Because of a deep stat system and a massive skill tree with over 300 nodes that grant permanent buffs. Nodes can be unlocked by
Zoom
spending
out.
skill, so even if you don't win,
Zoom in.
unlocked by spending skill points, and skill points can be earned by defeating enemies and missions. So even
Okay, very good stuff. Okay, I like it. Last time, and then we are good to go. Gonna finish this trailer. Now, here's the question, right? The person that wrote me a mail about getting to IGN, did you give IGN 1080p or 2K trailer? What type of trailer do they want, or does it matter to them? Guys. Does it matter? That was the best trailer so far. Thank you, man. 001, thank you very much for following. I don't need to, yeah, I don't want to look at tips for game trailer now. I've just finished this one. And I think it's good enough. Like, it is at least the best trailer that I've made up until this point, and I spent all night making it, so at least I'm done. I don't want to have another one tell me how shitty my trailer is. I think it's the best trailer I have for the game so far. Let's look at it one more time. Tangy TD trailer number 2. Press kit. Trailer. Paste. Alright, last time.
Tangy TD is all about combining items to create powerful builds which make damage numbers go crazy. You play as Hero and Tangy, who can freely move around, attack enemies, and even reposition your towers. Enemies spawn in rounds and will try to destroy all the orange trees on the map. If they succeed, the game is lost. But fear not, there are multiple ways to stop them. Level up TNG by attacking enemies and choose 1 out of 3 upgrades every time you level up. Place up to 3 class-based towers, each with unique items and abilities. The defender specializes in blocking enemies and melee combat. The healer heals everyone in range, but can also shoot deadly bolts of lightning and ice. The ranger can hit flying units the defender can't reach and deals damage from afar. Towers have 4 item slots, allowing for a multitude of different combinations. But the end result is always the same. Massive screen-wide explosions which make damage numbers go absolutely crazy. This is all possible because of a deep stat system and a massive skill tree with over 300 nodes that grant permanent buffs. Nodes can be unlocked by spending...
So why does this crash sometime? The VOC media player. Is it because I'm streaming?
Points and skill points can be
just
earned.
crashes sometimes.
Nodes can be unlocked by spending skill points, and skill points can be earned by defeating enemies and missions. So even if you don't win, you are always progressing and getting stronger. Currently, there are 8 missions and 6 bosses to explore, each with unique mechanics and abilities to overcome. And you can always replay levels to complete challenges, earning you more stars in the process that can be spent on powerful upgrades. There's also a ranked endless mode available that unlocks after you win a mission for the first time. Here you compete on a global leaderboard, facing an unending swarm of enemies and bosses that progressively get stronger until they overwhelm you. That's all you need to know for now. I hope you
85
enjoy
skill points.
Tangy TD.
I just use media player instead of VLC, the
Tangy
Windows
TD
media
is all
player.
about combining items to create powerful
Alright, I think I'm happy. We're going to remove the old trailer, but I just want to make sure that I don't lose it. Trailer old 1, trailer old 2. Okay, so trailer done. What type of trailer is this? Gameplay trailer? Release trailer? And when do I upload it? Where do I upload it? Do I upload it now? What do I do with the trailer? Chat. That's my mom. 1 second. How long did it take you? All night. 12 to 15 hours. Hat sie dir versucht zu sagen, hat sie mir dann gesagt, weil sie dich nicht erreicht hat. Weil die ist direkt hier vorne an der Tankstelle. Die wartet noch. Ist alles gut. The reason why the trailer took so long is because I needed to change quite a few things so that the trailer worked. You know, I needed to code some stuff, fix some stuff as well. It's not like I could just record the trailer. Part of the trailer was also adding this helmet. Well, it's not a helmet. The wizard head to Tangy. Then I drew this as well. Like, this is a new item in the game that I'll be adding. You know, it's an upgrade from the pumpkin helm that you can find here. I added, yeah, for the Princess Tangy, I added in a couple more frames to the sleeping animation. I added in more frames to the attack animation because it was very stiff and looked terrible. Now it looks a lot more fluent. Fluent? A lot more, it looks better. She's the main character, she should have a very good animation. Fluid, yeah. Did some changes to the Chibi Defender, added in crowns. So I had to do a lot of stuff just to get the trailer going, right? It's not like I could just record a couple of gameplay scenes and be done with it, right? I also had to play all of these levels quite a lot. Make builds, positions, you know, and then, you know, sometimes... So I did, that's why it took so long. But yeah, I think it's good enough. So what do I do with the trailer? No, Shooter, that is not correct. You should or should not have a voiceover in the trailer. Why am I keep getting called? I'm actually muted. Okay. The preview didn't update. Great. I'm actually muted. Your mic was muted. Mute. Okay. Whatever. Do I get into an argument or do I get into what I need to do next? Truto, you're wrong about the voiceover, that's all. I was gonna explain why, but you're wrong about the voiceover. If that is true, then Thronefall should not have a voiceover either, which is not correct. Yeah, I don't have time to explain. My game is like PoE. And so what does PoE do and what does PoE do in the trailer? They explain things. They talk. Why? Because the game's complicated. My game's complicated. It's not obvious at first glance, especially with the items and stuff like that. Anyway, so what do I do next? Remove the old trailer from press kit and make the new one release trailer. Okay. Let's begin with that. Tangy TD. Press kit. Trailer. Release trailer. Okay. When do I upload it? Because the trailer has the date in it. March 9. It doesn't say available now. It says March 9. Can I upload it now? Do I private the old trailer on my YouTube channel? What do I do? I definitely want to upload this to Steam. I can do that. Upload now, more is better. You guys think so? Yeah, like I hate these names, right? It's, I would call it gameplay trailer. You know? That's what I would do. It's better than the old one. Glad you like it. So this trailer right here. Do I private? I private the old one. I re-upload my current trailer now, and I remove the oranges from the trailer, from the thumbnail. for now. You have to private it. I want to do a short version of the trailer, but only if I have access time. I think the trailer that I have works even as a short trailer, because you can skim it.
Tangy TD is all about this hero in all the orange trees on the grades every time you level up.
And so
Shoot deadly
even
bolts
if you
of light.
skim it, you see almost every frame I chose is something that conveys information. So you can skim this trailer. I don't need a short trailer because every single frame that I chose conveys information. Every time you click, there's something for you to look at. Here's a skill tree. Here's a lot of enemies and chests. Here's items. Item slots, right? So there's always, here's a zoom in of different classes. So I think this is good enough as the only trailer I'm gonna have for now. I'm not gonna make a new capsule. I'm going to edit this capsule to remove the oranges. And when I have time, I will add fairies to the capsule. And I'll try to do it myself because I can't find anyone. I can't find anyone that would do this for me. And I don't have any money. So the only option is, if I have enough time, I draw fairies onto it myself, I guess. Like the characters, right? The heroes, the towers. And if we don't, then we just don't, right? That's just the unfortunate situation we are in, but I think it's the best solution. It is a solution, not the best, but think about it like this. Nature didn't have the best thumbnail either from his game. Right? Literally the first YouTube video about his game was a better thumbnail than his Steam thumbnail. So it's not gonna be the best thumbnail at the moment. I might be able to change it over time, but what is important is that the trailer conveys the information properly, and now we can do screenshots and GIFs. Why last minute change? Because I think it will create more appeal in the game and therefore make the game more successful, because people from the outside like what they see more. And also in this trailer, at least, I explain the things better than in any other trailer. I show a lot of stuff easier. It's easier to read and understand than any of the other trailers. Why don't you scale up his... Because it's a different art style. Can't do that. These are PNG files, but I'm pretty sure... I have the thumbnail here. Cake's wife said that with Tangies you had better merge potential though. I can potentially agree to that. Was thinking about that too. But there's one glaring issue. Most people don't like him. And in the game they are very static. And I don't think I'll ever do merge for this game. Yeah. As well. I thought about that, but I should have done it till now, which I did not. I was thinking about that too, but I think it's a failed venture. Because there's just no... I'm not creating something cool about those oranges that makes people wanna invest into them. They will remain the mascot of the channel, yeah. Hello, Golden Apples. Hope you're doing good, my man. Welcome, bro. Okay. I'll private it in a second. I don't know why. Like, maybe that's you guys watching the trailer right now. I'll private it in a second when I'm done with this thumbnail here. Foreground. Huh? See, that's how easy it is. And it's so empty. Shit. It's so empty, guys. No. It is how it is, eh? Ooh, she's tall. Whoops, no. I can make her taller though, which is nice. Since I don't have to have the orange on her. Why do I have her twice here, lol? And of course, like this red potion guy, like I'm so mad, bro. I'm so fucking mad. He was so lazy. So fucking lazy. Look at this shit. Just took the character and inverted the sprite because he didn't want to draw a shadow. Fucking hell, man. Such a mistake, bro. I'm going to learn how to do this shit myself. Look at this here as well. Whoops. Like, fuck off, man. So fucking lazy. Look at this shit here. Really? I mean, no one's gonna be able to tell, right? But still, man. Freaking hell. Sorry, I keep repeating it, but I'm really mad. Like, that you as a customer, after spending this much money, have to go and freaking fix this shit yourself is insane. Look at this. It's fine. Like, now I'm being a perfectionist. It's okay. Don't be a perfectionist, Cakes. No one's gonna see this. Oh, it's lagging. Whoops. Of course I forgot the shadow on the freaking staff. Mind you, I'm doing this with a fucking mouse. So it does kind of look ass when... Anyways, I think it should be good enough. Let's look at it. Yeah, looks good enough. Let's get rid of that. Oh shit, oh yeah, I mean, it's the foreground. Which means I have to kind of... put it into the foreground. No. No, wait, I have an idea. Yeah, the downside of using Photopea is that so wait, Tangy is great. No, I want to do B and then sample the color here. but as transparent color. Can I not? Whatever. I think it was overlay. No. Control X. Rasterize. Control X. Control V in a new layer. Overlay, I think. Not overlay. Multiply. Then 60% or something. And we get rid of the other Tangy. Okay. Huh? What the hell? Huh? Oh, I didn't update, sorry. Okay. Now, the only thing is moving her up. Lock those together. Huh? I just moved her up, didn't I? Huh? What the hell? Aha. Well, that was it, I suppose. Good. Background. The hill. Kinda have to get rid of the Yacha there. Let's see what that looks like. Oh my god, there's trees here floating. Where do they come from? From the stupid hill. Okay, so now I could potentially add in a little bit more, a couple more enemies. Just to give it a little bit more life, right? What do you guys think? Okay, what do you guys think? So, like, it's not perfect, but on a scale of 1 to 10, is that the best we can do for now? I'll try to draw stuff. Yo, my man, Golden Apples, thank you very much for becoming a YouTube member. My man, I appreciate that a lot. Thank you guys very much for the support towards the end here. I really do. It's enough, should not be cluttered. Okay. Fine, we'll keep it. Thumbnail, PSD. So that's going to be the thumbnail. And we're going to save it as 19. Oh, wait. What was it? 720 was the other one. 1480. No. 720. 1280, yeah. Save as. Good. Change TD, press kit, trailer, thumbnail PNG? Really? Why? Oh, because I have it in thumbnails. Do I remove this? I guess I will. Let's not be too fancy. I'll put the thumbnail in both folders. What is the downside of Photopea? It lags. I love it. I love it more than Photoshop. You know why? Because I can use the middle mouse button and scroll like this. You can't do that in Photoshop. You cannot. I hate it. But otherwise, I love it. You can only if you buy software. Guys, you cannot. I'm not paying for Photoshop. It's a very old version. I'm not paying monthly for it. You cannot. Why don't you use Affinity? You can, you dumb? Okay, guys, how? How do you do it? Tell me. Smart asses, like how? This is Photopea, that what I'm using is. Null exception, thank you very much for being a ban friend on Kick. There's a lot of advertisers there. I think it's because they usually lurk around in smaller streams. But the thing is, I think naturally over time, we could grow on Kick. Like we already have quite a few followers there. If the platform grows, right? If there's more traction to the platform from outside and stuff like that. Obviously, I'll have to do YouTube videos. But I think we can. Already having 100 followers is a nice milestone. You can try Affinity, it's free. I don't want to try another software. I love this one here. Unless there's a problem where it prohibits me from using this or it stops me from using this, I really like this. I'm going to make a text here. Official trailer. Because IGN is not gonna put that in and I need to put it as text into the thumbnail. So, which text do I use and how big do I make it? Or is it release trailer? Let's look at what Thronefall does. Thronefall is out now. Official trailer and game trailers. Thronefall trailer. So Grizzly Games, full release. Okay, so they put full release in text below. So I should do full release. Okay. Full release. I will still do a date in it. Gameplay trailer is good. Use font. Use the same font plus box if you can. Well, I don't know what font your guy used here. Can you ask him what he used? Still use the IGN? What do you mean use the IGN? What does that mean? Official trailer? And box? I should do the same as IGN is what you're saying. Why? Also, what font does IGN use?
Am I so out of touch? No.
Take a just glitch, just subscribe.
Pikachu Mom, and thank you very much for ARS block. ARS maquette. Often supplemented by a round. Ah, I'm gonna not pay money for that shit. Hell nah. Go piss off. Free download. That's just normal font, man. Okay, wait, I have an idea. I've been using that in the past. What font is it? Official. Free fonts. Bro, this website is just advertising fonts. You can't tell me that there's no free font. Fuck off. There's not even a filter. I can't even set a filter. Piss. Okay, so these guys are just retarded. No, they're just trying to sell you shit. That's what they do. I hate this. Like, this website is trash. This is not a website. This is a Dumbo site. Right. Yeah. Maturated. What? Shapes found. Okay. Only free font. 0 glyphs identified? What? Are you stupid? Font squirrel? It says highlight the text. Why can I not do that himself? Okay, wait. Okay, fine. I'll do it again. One more time. God, so bad. Okay. Maturate it? Free. Free font. Fontzillion. No, wait. Chrome regular. Chrome black regular. Maybe I have it in Photopea. Nope, I don't. Am I being hacked now? It's a zip file. Why is it a zip file? Yeah, sure, let me make my own font, bro. It's too thick. This font's too thick. Whatever, install. I think I have to restart Photopea though. For this. Wait. Yep, I have to restart Photopea. Similar enough. Varela round. Yeah, that one's good. Where is the big download button though? It's like this font's great, but I don't see a big download button. Get font. Good stuff. Thank you. Appreciate that. What is it called? Varela? Yeah. Is there a bold? Hey, but then it's Vata? Are you retarded? It's only regular. Don't think that works. Ah, maybe it does. Let's see. Let's compare. I think I can fake it. It's fine. Official trailer. What was the other one? Something M, right? I forgot. Oh, Chrome? Fontzillion? No. Fonts? Chrome. Okay, the other one was called Chrome. Huh? Well, it was not. Oh, whatever. It's fine. I'll do this. Make the font white. Then add a stroke in white. Now it's thicker. Add another stroke. How does they do this? They just do white and then they do a black. I see, that's what they do. But don't, yeah, they just do a stroke in white, and I think it's 2 pixels. Good, okay. Oops, it's here. And I think they make it a bit longer, bigger, not longer. And then the box. How do you make the box again? Rectangular select, I guess. Wait, how do I make a round box again? I do rectangular select. Make a new layer. Draw in any color. Select, modify. But I can't. Wait, smooth. I should have smoothed the selection first. Alright, select, modify, smooth by 4 pixels. Then draw. It's more smooth, isn't it? Select, modify, smooth. Again. That looks terrible. Do that one more time. Okay, select, modify, smooth. Oh, I see. I can see the preview of this. I like that. In my opinion, that's smooth enough. 10 is even better, I think. I like it. Okay, so 10. Then we draw. We do another select, modify, contract. Here's the thing though. Eh? What the hell? Oh, I see. Can you stop? Can you stop? What's your problem? Uh-oh. Okay, so that's a bug. Select, modify, contract. Okay. Select, modify, smooth. Okay. Boom. Okay. Shift G. Turn that white. Then we're good. Hey! I have an IGN trailer thing, guys. I have IGN trailer. Ooh. Official trailer. I can move it now. Cool. I don't like it very much, but fine. Shift G, gradient from black to white. Whoops. Can one more time. Shift G. Nope. I guess that's what they have. Multiply. Looks bad though. Is that all they have? Like, do they have this everywhere? Let's see. Game trailers. Whoops. Game trailers. Do they not have an outline on some of these? No, some of these have an outline, right? They don't. You can't read that, bro. Fuck it. Read chat? What? You're missing something? Uppercase? Don't tell me. It's uppercase. It's uppercase. Fuck. Shit. I'm stupid. Fuck. Thank you. Thank you. We can still save it. It's fine. Goes a little over the middle. Okay. We could still save a chat, it's fine. I have done this 1,000 times. I know what to do. Because I fucked up 1,000,000 times. That's how I know. That's how I know, chat. Shadow outline. I don't think they have that, but we can try. Rasterize. You know what? I'm just gonna do that. I turn this into a smart object. Then I can always look into the how it's done, and I can file, save that as a PNG, PSD, put it into Google Drive, my drive. And then I'm Gamedev, IGN. I guess this could be, and then we call this official trailer. You never know. You never know. So I just saved it. We can put a small. I feel like I want to do an out, but yeah, that doesn't work. We could try outer glow. Yeah, it's barely visible. And then we still make a gradient. What do you guys think? Whoops. Edge glow? Why would I add glow? I don't think they have glow. There's no way they have glow. Slightly smaller if you can. You sure? Bro, their thing is more... Like, if this is half... Can I take a screenshot of the still image, or is it gonna be the first? It's gonna be black. Okay, so that doesn't work. It's smaller. Mine's smaller, bro. Mine is even smaller than theirs. It's crazy how that works, huh? Oi. Hey, if they don't take my game, I'm just gonna pretend they do, okay? They've been ignoring me from day one, okay? I've sent them 2 emails. They hate my game, so they're not gonna do it. I'm just gonna pretend they did, okay? So, like, someone's gonna come across this on their YouTube thumbnail, and they're like, oh, IGN? And be like, yeah, IGN. Right, chat? They can't tell the difference. The font is a bit bad, but otherwise... Okay. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna send another email to IGN. Fuck it. Like, they get millions. Like, surely they won't matter. They won't mind. What are they gonna do? Block me? Spam said, yeah, like, what should I do? Right? Like, honestly. What should I do? Like, what would you guys do in my situation? Huh? Hi, IGN. I suppose you missed my emails because I sent 400 of them. Was this? Nani? It's smaller. Mine's smaller, bro. Mine is even smaller than theirs. Okay, well. Aha. Save as. It is how it is, chat. I'm literally gonna call it IGN thumbnail. I don't care. Okay, good. So now that we have the thumbnails done, what next? Upload the trailer to YouTube right now? Should I upload it to YouTube? What do you guys think? Private this, upload new trailer? Why would they sue me over a YouTube video, bro? I'm not deleting the old trailer, I'm going to private it. What's next after Tangy TD? Break, another game. Content in progress. Tangy TD gameplay trailer. Calling it Tangy TD gameplay trailer, right? Yeah, okay. Fine. Create. Wait. Like this. Oh wait, create. Here we go. That was easy. Upload file. We can just drag and drop one in here. So do I use the IGN thumbnail? You know what I can do, guys? I can do A/B testing. Watch this. Can you stop? Hate that. Tangy TD gameplay trailer. I'll do A/B testing. I will add another thumbnail. Let's see which one gets more views. I love it. You done uploading? No, I will not make a game about looping a black hole. I congratulate Thornity and I forgot the other name for their game, but I did not enjoy it myself, so I can't make a game like that. I need to make a game that I enjoy, chat. Okay, we have a test here. Playlist. Was that in a playlist? No. Good. Show more. All of that is fine. Get rid of those tags. Use the exact same tags. Spent a lot of time copying them. Let's see. Tower Defense, Steam Wishlist, Kingdom Rush Clone, Megabonk. Reveal. What the hell? I did look at Megabonk. I guess I forgot that. 3D. Huh? Wait a minute. Item crafting, Steam game crafting, pixel art strategy, game trailer, devlog, PC gaming, Monster Slayer boss fights. What the hell? I had these in there. Why? I cleaned these up. I remember that. It must not have saved this. But okay. Gameplay trailer. Gameplay. But I think gameplay trailer is good enough. I don't need to add gameplay again. Yeah. I'll steal some from Thronefall. No, I want to see what they use. Thronefall official trailer release in the game, base game release date. Okay, select all, copy, and then we'll delete the Thronefall part. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Official trailer, release date. Release announcement, full release, trailer gameplay. Okay, so what else should I delete here? I kind of want people to wishlist. Roguelite. Roguelike? Where's roguelike? It says roguelite, which is correct. 500 characters? Where? Yeah, I'm going to exhaust everything. The text almost do nothing. There's literally videos on YouTube that have 0 tags and get bazillions of views. I still add the tags. Thank you guys for following. Appreciate it. I see you. Thank you for following. What's the difference again between roguelite and roguelite? Roguelite is where some of your progression resets, but roguelike is where you have to start from the very beginning again. Cakes, what do you think tags matter really that for YouTube VOD? No, they don't. Tags don't work. I've had videos pop off with 0 tags. I have had videos not change any tags. Like, tags usually do nothing. They are a little bit for searching, but search algorithm is using your title more and your description more than the tags. So, like, they do game demo, I guess we'll get rid of that, and roguelike. Fuck, 5. Get rid of cakes. It's fine. Remove 5 of exile? No. Kinda want to keep that in there. Allow embedding, blah blah blah. Category entertainment, yeah. No fundraiser. Next. Monetization off. Done. Next. No video elements. Checks. Yeah. Private for now. Let's listen to it on YouTube once. Shut up. I need to listen.
Game Tangy TD is all about combining items to create powerful builds which make damage numbers go crazy. You play as hero in Tangy, who can freely move around, attack enemies and even reposition your towers. Enemies spawn in rounds and will try to destroy all the orange trees on the map. If they succeed, the game is lost. But fear not, there are multiple ways to stop them. Level up Tangy by attacking enemies and choose 1 out of 3 upgrades every time you level up. Place up to 3 class-based towers, each with unique items and abilities. The defender specializes in blocking enemies and melee combat. The healer heals everyone in range, but can also shoot deadly bolts of lightning and ice. The ranger can hit flying units the defender can't reach and deals damage from afar. Towers have 4 item slots, allowing for a multitude of different combinations. But the end result is always the same. Massive screen-wide explosions which make damage numbers go absolutely crazy. This is all possible because of a deep stat system and a massive skill tree with over 300 nodes that grant permanent buffs. Nodes can be unlocked by spending skill points, and skill points can be earned by defeating enemies in missions. So even if you don't win, you are always progressing and getting stronger. Currently, there are 8 missions and 6 bosses to explore,
I made a mistake.
each with unique mechanics and abilities to overcome. And
AV1.
you can always replay levels to complete challenges, earning you more stars in the process that can be spent on powerful upgrades.
I did the bad encoder. What you need to do as a smaller YouTuber is you need to render your video at... Bro, I think you nailed the voice tone. Thank you. Hey, I think my favorite part of fielding criticisms from randoms is the sheer audacity some people have to absolutely shit on things people create without ever having created anything themselves. Yes. I need to render it in a higher resolution to get the better encoder so that the visual clarity of the video is better. So I just need to go here, re-render this in 2K, upload it to YouTube, get a better video, better quality, and we're Gucci. So basically custom, or I think I could just click trailer, right? Did I save the preset? Load! So unfortunately, everything here is fine, but I need to upload it one more time. So we'll just copy everything. We'll copy everything and create one more time. Let's create. There's no need to render it in 8K, 2K is fine. 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 2K is fine Okay. Do I have one that says trailer? I can't do gaming VODs, but I kind of want to do... Okay, so custom. So what was it? 2000... I don't know the 2K resolution. 2500... Oh, I hate this. AI is so dog shit. Thank you, Lazy Dev. I appreciate that. Fucking, like, retarded AI. 2560. 140. There we go. Add to render queue. Yes. We need to render it in this size. You have roguelike at the top and then roguelike and roguelite next to each other in the middle. Why is frame rate 60? Because it is 60. Doesn't really matter. I always have 60 because I record in 60. That's why it's 60. $320 by 200 was enough back in the day. Yo, my man. Please explain why you took out oranges. It's my opinion and I probably am wrong because I don't have your point of view. But I feel like it loses charm to take out the oranges. The game looks better from the outside for most people. There will be people that still like the oranges, and there are people that like the oranges, but the majority of people, when they look from the outside, the characters are more appealing than the oranges. It looks better. It sells better that way. It might be a difference of 10%, 5%, but I still
so out of touch?
did it because I think...
No.
Eva Hens just subscribed.
It's annoying that DaVinci doesn't have 2K.
When will you
Yeah.
start the 3D game?
I don't know why they don't have it. But what you can do is the following. You can take this here, then you click the dots here, and then you save as new preset, and then you do game trailer. You click OK, and then when you click here, like my stuff is fucked up, but essentially it gives you... It should give you this window right next to this window. I don't know why mine's fucked up. It's always on the other screen. Maybe it shows only up on the main screen. But essentially, you can then do game trailer, select the preview preset. Like for example, for my gaming VODs, right? I just click gaming VODs and then I have 2K in QuickTime and the best possible thing, and then let me select game trailer. What do I have here? Yeah, also best possible just MP4. Okay, now the trailer saved itself. It called itself timeline 3 and got saved here. Let's get rid of that, or let's just say copy, let's see, Tangy TD gameplay trailer 2K, and then this is Tangy TD gameplay trailer. Is it 1K? 1080p. And here in the press kit, we do the same thing. Huh? Bro, I'm so tired of this. Copy the gameplay trailer. Put it here. The 2K trailer. Thank you. Copy this. No. Paste that and then 1080p. Now I have both of these and I just need to upload their video. That's why you do 2K. Okay. Now copy, paste, Copy. Paste. Thumbnail. IGN thumbnail. While it's uploading, show more. Get rid of these tags. Show more. Copy these tags. You're right, I had roguelite twice. Roguelite, right. But I keep it like this for now, that's good enough. Good, now we have that. Still uploading, come on. Cakez, don't copy it. It's my man, save the current video as private. When you upload the next video, click on the reuse details button and select the last video, save all the manual work. Wait, don't copy it, my man. Save the current video as private. Wait, really? Save. Okay. Wait, I want to test that. It's fine, I'm gonna... How do I reuse details? Oh. Oh! Title, description, tags, video language, category. Damn! Thank you! Oh, I never used that. Appreciate that, bro. Next. 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 It's gonna take some time to upload though. Apparently it's a big video. So yeah, save. Thank you, man. Close. So yeah, while this uploads, we'll delete this one. And we keep this one on. Yeah, it's still uploading. Good stuff. Wait. Did it also do the thumbnail test? No, it did not. So I have to do the thumbnail test myself. I see. Have you built your own AI? No. No. I heard AI. The problem of AI is that we don't have enough electricity to run it, and the chips required to run AI are too expensive. Are we hitting a bottleneck of AI, guys? Is that what's happening? Okay, this is taking too long. I'll do this later. Okay. Good. I'm not gonna upload the trailer to Steam now because I'm pretty sure it'll destroy my upload. What do we do? Hopefully I have enough electricity. I have many AA batteries. What's the video size? Probably, yeah, it's quite a lot. Couple gigabytes. Yeah, it's 2K. Now, you need to do this to get the better encoder. And the better encoder will make videos look better on YouTube if you're a smaller YouTuber, which I am. And even, I think, if you're a big YouTuber, you want to do this regardless. But yeah, I'm very happy. We got the thumbnail part done. We could now... Leave. We could now work on the most annoying part that is left to do, which is... this shit right here. The Steam capsule stuff. Test the 2K video on VLC, see if it rendered correctly. It did render correctly. I'll test it later tonight before I set it public though. I will, don't worry. Let's get the other images done. Man. So what do I do here? How big are these files? 300 megabytes. Überschaubar. Gonna call it Fairy Capsule. And I'll upload these first here to not get confused. I have a problem though, guys. My Game Tangy TD. You guys gave me an ohrwurm too. Yeah, 30 gigabytes left. Man, I hope Windows doesn't die before I release my game, bro. Please. Okay, uh-oh, yeah. Uh-oh, we're running out of space. Yikes. Ew. If you know IGN, they will rate you only a 7. I don't care. Like, they can rate me a 7. Just feature my fucking trailer, assholes.
I love Cakez. Just kidding, fuck Cakez. Animate the water.
Fuck you. The stream's dead? No. My bitrate is fine. Oh shit, it's not. Oh no. Why? Is that Google Drive? No. I'm sorry. Oh shit, what do I do? I need to close this and re-upload it later. Continue uploading. I can't do it while I'm streaming. Ah shit, I'm effing. How's it on YouTube, guys? Quality. Uh-oh. Oh, sorry, guys. IGN found you. I don't think this can go on for much longer, chat. Oh, it's catching up. Wait a minute. No, never mind. Uh-oh. Yeah. Uh-oh. Stop YouTube? No. I will not stop YouTube. YouTube is please animate or water the only thing that guarantees success. Yeah. 23% uploaded, and we have 33 minutes left to upload the trailer. I should not be uploading this while I'm streaming. I think I can close this. Seite verlassen, and I'll upload it tonight once the stream's done. It's fine. I'm going to email YouTubers tonight anyways. I'm not gonna email them immediately. And so I'm gonna upload the trailer then. I mean, the video doesn't die. But man, does that take long for some reason. It must also be Like, how bad is it? Chat. How bad is it? I'll just continue, okay? Let's begin with this. I think the only thing I have to do here is get rid of this guy. Where's the hill though? Here? Not even named, bro. I'm tired. Of course, he's part of the hill. Mandarina. There we go. Alright, that was simple. It's normal, no issues for me. Just pause the pawn torrents. Bad, yes sir. 33 minutes. Send you to Piggy's home. Save changes. Yeah. I want to save the changes. Alright guys, so that's the first. Cool. Is this really the best thing to do for now, guys? Oops. Is this the best thing to do? Just remove... Just remove the oranges. The good thing about what I'm doing right now is that at least I'm getting better at organizing these things for the next game and creating these things for the next game. Sheesh, my eyes been hurting for like 2 weeks now. Finally starting to feel fine, so good. Bruh. But at least you're fine now, that's great. How many years did it take you to make this game? 4. And I spent 2 years on making the engine and then 2 years making the game. Learning how to make a game. So you could say that my game development skills are 2 years in the making. Would you guys agree? Game development skills of Cakez is 2 years? Please use keyframe frequency of 4 seconds or less. Currently keyframes are not being sent enough. Oh guys, YouTube is not doing too hot. What Photoshop app is this? This is Photopea. It's free. Shit. Didn't he create another version? One without the thing? How many people wishlisted your game so far? Let's see. And while I'm at it, if you guys want to support me, you can do that by wishlisting Game Tangy TD on Steam. Here's the link to it. If you guys want to give it a geezer, that helps me out a lot. I'm on route to hitting 5k wish lists. Right now, I have, and the cool thing is I can finally show this. 39% uploaded. I don't have to worry about it. Because I have confirmation from Valve. Cool. We have 4,140. I don't know how much I got today. It doesn't update. It's more than 2, but I don't know. Like yesterday we got 17. Which is still good, because I was I had like a terrible stream yesterday and I was raging a lot and didn't stream long, so I think that's good. Usually YouTube is the best for me. All right, let's get a Tangy in though. So what I need is... Tangy without defender. Good stuff. I fixed the other Tangy though, so I'm gonna file open. I think the thumbnail PSD has the witch. There we go. And the shadow. How do I do that? If I merge that down, does it stay transparent? Interesting. Okay. Let's just see. That does nothing. That didn't do anything. What if I convert it to a smart object? Then copy that. Put it here. Why is it empty? I don't understand. Okay. Eh? No. Yes. Okay, I now just save that over. Which means I think I can just put this in here. Good. And then it'll look good enough. Good stuff. Okay. Awesome. So you guys said before that I should do the following this, right? Should make this tall. And then all the other ones should... why is the logo in there? This should go away. Healer and Archer should go away too. Like this. Right? And yeah, the annoying part is that I have to get rid of these two, which does make it quite empty. But yeah. It allows me to move these though. Okay. Save that. I don't think it's empty. Well, yes, save changes. Bro, is this really how you fucking deliver art, man? Is this how you deliver art? Oh, 10x developer is back. Great. Yeah. Stop being rude, Cakes. I just said something, that's all, man. Okay, so we have 2 done. Thank goodness we just have to remove some characters. So get rid of that. Get rid of that. Take this. Copy that. Put it here. Get rid of Tangy. And of course the logo is in there too. I don't know why. There we go. Then put Tangy in the middle. Make this guy invisible. Add more rats. Make this guy invisible. Okay, save changes. What's the law behind Tangy? There's no law. It's 4 years of struggle finding a good theme for the game, failing and then changing at last minute. There you have it. Good stuff. 2 down. Next. I see. They all are locked together. Which is this thing, all of this. Foreground, healer gone, archer gone. Copy. Tangy without defender. To where Tangy is. Delete that. Copy that, put that here. See, like, if the guy that I paid for this, by the way, would have given me what I asked for, which was, and I repeat, please draw Tangy with a wizard hat and without, and make it a toggle so I can put a wizard hat on her or not. Then we would have Tangy with a wizard hat right now. But no! He said yes to it and then didn't do it. Oh man, I'm so fucking annoyed. I am so mad. liking the video, cause this is crazy work. My man, thank you. Appreciate that, bro. Of course I'm blaming the capsule guy. I paid $500 for that shit. Why would I not do that? Huh? Why would I not do that? It is somewhat empty. But it is how it is. I don't think that fits. No, I will remove it. It's fine. Cakes enable alerts, they are. Yeah, if the capsule was not delayed, then we would not have Chibi overhaul, that is for sure. I don't think it's empty. Well, glad you think so. Good. I mean, we are getting close to have done everything, which is nice. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to go, and I think the logo is already done, so 4 to go. So 50% done, 50% to go. And I mean, it is literally just repeating the steps, right? How can this application be so dumb? It never... No, I don't want to deal with this right now. I have... No, this is fucking... Yep. This was my first time using Visual Studio, by the way, guys. Just letting you know. It was an awesome time. Not... I'm going to copy this goblin into this one because I think this capsule here is important. So I'll be putting it here. Hey? Oh, I see. It's a bit small. Shit. God damn it. That's a problem. I think I can fix it though. I'll just cheat a bit. Guys, I don't have any other choice, okay? I got shit delivered to me, so I have to make what I can with this. Shit, it's... Okay, almost. Okay. More legible capsule when the oranges are gone. Yeah. Well, maybe that's a good thing. Right. Maybe it is a good thing. Okay. The T looks like a fork. You're not the first person to say that. Yeah. Capsule main 1. Why 1? Does it say number 1? No. Capsule main. Awesome. Getting better. Open. ... Library main. Library logo is what we have. Store capsule header bundle. Yeah. Get rid of this guy. Get rid of the healer. Get rid of the archer. Get rid of the mandarin. Archer back. Yep. Get rid of that archer. Good. Now, we can add a couple more enemies with this. For example, this guy. Not here. I hate this. Where is he? Here. Well, then he has to be in the foreground somewhat. Tangy is here. Yep. Whoops. Oh god. Is this it? Just wanted to move this a tiny bit to the left, that's all. So I can move Tangy a tiny bit to the left. Alright, I think otherwise I'm going to add a lot more rats here. There's gonna be a swarm.
Oh my god, fucking hit this guy! Are you fucking kidding me? The fucking wall is triggering the fuck out of me!
Okay, good.
Fuck you!
Nice. Hi. Video just shadows from both monsters in the back.
Fucking wall!
Nah.
God, that triggered me so much!
Tangy's all alone. Yep, she is.
Sorry. God, I hate that so much. This is so...
Yeah, that's the one thing that Dark Souls 1 is bad at. The wall hitting, bro. They never tried to fix it. I guess it's a gameplay mechanic, but I hate it. They should have fixed it. Okay, guys. Last image. Last image. Library hero and store page background. 2 more. Nice. Ah, finally. It was a long one, brothers. It was very much a lot of work. I did not think I'd last that long. Today at 9 AM, I was like, bruh, I was so tired. Sorry. I really was. I was like, I'm not gonna survive. I'm not gonna stream tonight. That's what I thought. Oh my god, this fly! You're dead. Fuck you. It's like one of those fruit flies that shouldn't be live right now because it's not the summer. Am I doing a mistake here? No, looks good. Okay. This is the important one, is it? Store page background? Or not? But what happened? Do I need to make the logo smaller? Why do I not fit with the logo? Ah, great. My staff isn't staffing. Do I need to make the logo smaller? Because I feel like I should be bigger. Great. I have to fucking draw this shit. Fuck, man. Can I not draw transparent? Wasn't overlay, I think it was multiply. And then something 60%. But how do I merge this shit now? How do I merge this shit? I don't want to do this because that's like retarded. What the hell is this? Oh, this is annoying. Just because the person didn't fucking do his job. God. It's not perfect, but it'll be good enough. You will be able to see it, but only if you pay very close attention. Okay. All right. Okay. Now, do I make this logo smaller here? Store page background. Yes, I do. Right? Ah, shit. Forgot to get rid of this guy. I'll be creating like the biggest rat infestation. Look at that. First layer is the one with Tangy. Alright, okay, store page background, done too. Save changes. Isn't this an important capsule or something? Save. Linus, thank you very much for subscribing. Appreciate that. My man. Reads the follow-up message, but not the first one. Yeah, I'm sorry. What is the first message? Replace selection tool, delete some one layer. Invert selection, delete from the other layer. See, the problem is I already forgot what my question was, bro, so I don't know. Was the problem? Was war überhaupt das Problem? In English. The staff shadow. Wait, rectangle selection tool, delete some one layer. Invert selection, delete from the other layer. Delete some one layer. Delete some one layer? Delete from one layer. It doesn't matter. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah. I need to go to the bathroom though. And it's lagging too. Copy. Huh? I need to go, guys. I'm sorry. Need to go to the bathroom. I'll be finishing this in a sec. You can watch the ranger destroy this map. I think he has a gazillion... yep. He has. Easy clap. This map is easy clap for the ranger. We're right back. Let's get a defender just in case. One sec. This is my game, chat! Give me a second. Oh. Oh yeah, Tangy leveled up. Ooh, I pulled the boss? How did I pull the boss? All of my hair would fall out if I did that. If you
Dude,
did
you
what,
don't even
Mr.
think
the
about
Dev
it, guys.
Dad?
Mr. Cakez77, the famous Twitch gentleman. The first months of your journey I thought you were kinda bad at programming and graphism, but months after it seems like you didn't give up, and it's quite impressive because I didn't know someone could be that retarded. Congrats.
Fucking asshole. This guy was just jealous. That's what it was. He was jealous, guys. That's all there is to it. Okay. Finished the last one and we are done, chat. We are finally done. Make Tangy real big. Nice. Get rid of the old one. Cool. Shadow fix can go as well. Don't need that. This is good enough. This is fine. This right here can go away. This can go away. And then we'll do the same thing that we do with all of the other stuff. Which is we're going to spam rats. Because this is what the game is about. A lot. A lot of enemies. Oops. No. No. I keep moving things. How many copies do you have of that, bro? Stop. Like, how many? Do I keep making copies? Wait. I make copies of this thing. This is the thing that I want to log. I don't want to make copies of this. There we go. Is that a bit too much? What do you guys think? I don't want to. I want to create some irregularities in there, right? So that it doesn't look like it's all the same. Okay. Put this guy here. The wizard. The wizard. A wizard. Okay. Done. What is the game's title? Tangy TD. You can also find the title to the game here. This is the link to where you can wishlist it. Helps me out a lot if you do. It's a big support. Because more wishlists means Steam will promote my game more. If we reach 5,000 wishlists, we could potentially get into popular and upcoming. But running low on time. We're currently looking at 4,140, so I don't think I'll reach the 5k until tomorrow, until the end of the week. We're already on Wednesday. It's 2 more days. Over the weekend, we'll see what I can do. But then I have 7 days left after that. And ideally, you want to be in popular and upcoming by then, right? Okay, guys, so now I have all of these images. And the logo as well. Let me open that. File open. Library logo. Let's save that as well. I have managed to do all of the things required for Steam. Let's upload them. Shall we? Now, let's first check. Is the video still uploading? 100% uploaded. Nice. Save. We'll be A/B testing the other thumbnail too. Good. Set test. And then this is Tangy TD gameplay trailer. Cool. It's done already. Let me save it. So I can actually release it now. The gameplay trailer. Should I do it? And then private this one?
Am I so out of touch?
What do you guys think?
BenReal17 just subscribed. 0.1 days left. Let's get this bitch done. Hell yeah.
Thank you, my man, Ben Rayla. Appreciate it, bro. I got 61 wish lists. I'm cooked, but it's okay. At least I'm having fun. I hope you can hit the 7,000. How long have you been working on your game, Mr. Mythics? If it's not too long, then take it as a learning experience. Release your game as fast as you can. And move on. Watch it first. Oh, the gameplay trailer? Yeah, you're right. I should. View on YouTube. Okay, so that is the latest trailer. We have the 2K option. And the reason why, again, the reason why we did the 2K option is because of the beta encoder. I'll show you. I've been working on it for 3 months. It's my first project I'm learning. Yeah, good job, man. That's exactly how you should do it. So, for example, here, look. If I go stats for nerds, we have the AV1 encoder still. Is it the wrong video? See? Ah, VP9. So, do I only get VP9 if I upload... Wait, if I... Interesting. It changes to AV1. Interesting. They must have changed that. Because it would always use VP09 in 1K. It's been a while since I uploaded a video. But okay, let's watch it first in this resolution, right? Let's see how that looks. Play.
Tangy TD is all about combining items to create powerful builds which make damage numbers.
Yeah, this looks much cleaner here, the enemies.
Go crazy. You play as hero in Tangy, who can freely move around, attack enemies and even reposition your towers. Enemies spawn in rounds and will try to destroy all the orange trees on the map. If they succeed, the game is lost. But fear not, there are multiple ways to stop them. Level up Tangy by attacking enemies and choose 1 out of 3 upgrades every time you level up. Place up to 3 class-based towers, each with unique items and abilities. The defender specializes in blocking enemies and melee combat. The healer heals everyone in range, but can also shoot deadly bolts of lightning and ice. The ranger can hit flying units the defender can't reach and deals damage from afar. Towers have 4 item slots, allowing for a multitude of different combinations. But the end result is always the same. Massive screen-wide explosions which make damage numbers go absolutely crazy. This is all possible because of a deep stat system and a massive skill tree with over 300 nodes that grant permanent buffs. Nodes can be unlocked by spending skill points, and skill points can be earned by defeating enemies in missions. So even if you don't win, you are always progressing and getting stronger.
I think there's one problem. I like it, but there's one problem, I feel. It's that my voice is a bit quiet. I feel it should be louder. My voice. Keep the same loudness of everything, but up the decibel count of my voice by 2 to 3 decibels.
Currently, there are 8 missions and 6 bosses to explore, each with unique mechanics and abilities to overcome. And you can always replay levels to complete challenges, earning you more stars in the process that can be spent on powerful upgrades. There's also a ranked endless mode available that unlocks after you win a mission for the first time. Here you compete on a global leaderboard, facing an unending swarm of enemies and bosses that progressively get stronger until they overwhelm you. That's all you need to know for now. I hope you enjoy Tangy TD.
Voice is a bit quiet, yeah. I'm in the factory game. How's Randy's game doing? Steam Next Fest, right? Terra Factor. It's fine, I'll upload it again. I'll raise the voice. Terra Factor, SteamDB demo. "12 people playing. It's about the same experience I had in my... He has about the same experience I had with my game. So why are all of the incremental games doing well, but any other type of game is not? What do you guys think it is? Why? Isn't it Terra Factor? Terra Factor, yeah. So what do you guys think it is? Every single tower defense I've found so far requires you to spend 50k reals to stay on the same level as other people. I just want to find something that is affordable and what? Balloons, TD? Hot genre? How you doing, by the way, Mr. Nature? Where's your game? Should I have this open, right? The Lupa? 300. I'm guessing 300 people. Okay? This number is 300 when I refresh. Okay, 230. It's still good. Still good. It's gonna go up. Sorry. Yeah, it's gonna go up to 300 for sure today. Incremental is a good way to relax, I think. It feels rewarding, but often also feeling relaxing. I see. It's just a bigger community. People collect incremental games. No, I don't agree with you. Sorry. Factorio is huge. And Terra Factor, I'm pretty sure, is inspired by Factorio. So, and I have not seen a single incremental game pull these numbers, of course. So, what is it? What is it, chat? I'm trying to learn here. I've spent all night making a trailer, now I wanna learn. Reason why? It's not expensive compared to AAA Skyrocket price. Yeah, but I mean, Factorio is how much is Factorio? Price history 32. That's quite a lot. That's quite a lot. Old Warcraft 3 Hero Siege and such felt incremental as well. The old Warcraft 3 Hero Siege, you mean because of the heroes? You play your hero and they level up, but that is roguelite, I would say. The hero resets every time you run, make a new run. Doing alright? Hey Nature, how you doing, bro? Yeah, I guess as a game developer, right, when you see these numbers, you always want more.
Favorite Vulcan and Godot stream.
Wonder if you can hit
your
300 again. I think you can.
5 lines.
Hey, in the stats world again. Cheap, cozy, relaxing, no, dopamine. Good game, better than bad game. Bite you well. People said that this game is not that good, but it's still doing well. So, and then, like, if I've not played this game, but for example, for me personally, I would enjoy a game like Terra Factor more than a game about feeding a black hole, because I have no choice in a game about feeding a black hole. Yet, a game about feeding a black hole was just smashing numbers, right? And so, like, I'm just trying to understand why, right? Why? It's that they have no fail state. There is no downtime. Your tower defense game has rounds and moments where people clearly finish the segment. Incremental games don't have that, so people play longer. Like, when a game about feeding a black hole came out, they could only play for 30 minutes at most, right? They are addicting. It's not gonna peak again. I don't think it's gonna peak because of Lyric, but I think it's gonna hit at least 300. Like, look at the base here, right? You need to look at the valleys, not the peaks. So the way you can see if you're doing well is not by looking at the peaks, because you cannot really control these, but you can look at the valleys when not much is happening. And your valley is quite a bit taller every time. Like, it stayed consistent here, but it's been going up the valley. And here the valley went up again. So since the valley is going up, I'm pretty sure you can still hit 30 again. But like, also, let's not talk about numbers. Like, you can get fixated on numbers so much. Like, I don't want to, like, get you too distracted on the numbers. Did I forget an incremental game that I wanted to look at? Terra, Factor, MMO, the Looper. Anyone else has an incremental game on Steam that we want to look at and follow? I feel like I'm missing something. We already looked at MMO 98. I forgot, it's fine. Should pass 11k today. Awesome. You have 11k wishlist. Congratulations. Congratulations and fuck you. I think it's not enough for numbers to go up. It's also to be juicy when the numbers go up. Yeah, no, of course. You need to animate. Like, you can't just have a simple text, Arial text, and just have the number go up, right? That's freaking boring. You need to, like, make the number pop, maybe make individual numbers pop, maybe rotate them, maybe flicker them. Balatro does this very well, man. That's what I want to learn after this game too, like, for fun. Maybe even off stream, and then show you guys what I learned. Just, you know, explore a little bit when I finally have some time. Yeah, okay, let's see. So, store, guys. Tangy TD, description. I have this GIF here. It is a full-size GIF of the game. Do I use a full-size GIF? Or do I use a smaller GIF? Do I use this GIF? It is more concentrated on the action. I think I use this. Let's see. So that GIF is... And we also need to upload the capsule art stuff. The capsule things. Let's actually start with the graphical assets. Store assets, right? Update assets. Oh gosh, another 2D indie. As if we don't have enough of that. Why don't you make a 3D game? Then we have a 3D indie, bro. I make a 2D game, so shut the fuck up, okay? Smaller GIF? Yeah, I think so too. Okay, what a dum-dum, man. Holy cow, bro. Right, we're gonna drag all of these in. We need to make sure that it gets the correct capsule, because some of those here. So what is this? This is the library header capsule, and somewhere I wrote down Steam capsule guide here. What is what? 920 is the header capsule image. Right now we have the 920. This is header capsule. Okay. And then the main capsule. What is the main capsule? No, cancel. Main capsule is 1232. 12. Okay, good. Because some of these can become two different ones. We have the logo. And then here, package header. That is wrong. It says, but I can only do package header here. But it says store capsule bundle. I guess that's it. And then store page background. And library hero. So where did I do the mistake, chat? I don't have a library header. Where is the library header? This one. Whatever you used to make this game. C++. Bad trailer. It's not a bad trailer, you're wrong. You're just jealous. It's fine. Chat, help me a bit, please. So is this library header or a header capsule? Think it must be library header. But according to this guide, the library header is also 920. Library logo. What? I'm so confused. Thank God I can do this. Oh no, no, I pressed Alt left, not Windows. Oh. Did you save him? No? Why do I always click the wrong buttons, guys? Fine, I'll drag all of these in again. Hey man, I'm trying to get into programming and wanted to start with Python because it's beginner friendly. Have you any advice for learning the process? Should I take online courses? I would start with a YouTube video where you learn the basics. And then if you want to go further, try to make a project in Python. Like, I don't know, I would make a game in Python, but you don't have to. Let's see here. So now I can't see everything. 464. I hate this. So tedious. There's not even 464. Eh? Package header. Am I blind? I must be. Huh? I mean, I could be tired too. Is this real? Main capsule? Small capsule, library capsule? Page background? Header capsule. Here, the only difference is header capsule or library header. Chat. Help brother out here. I couldn't find a spot for package header. You need to upload twice. I need to upload twice. So I dragged the library header in twice. One of them is header capsule, the other one is library header. That is how you do it correctly. I never did that, which is, I guess, which is why I had these issues. So this is the trick. I see. So you need to upload that one twice. Then it works. Okay, thank you very much. Main capsule. Main capsule 706. Okay. Upload. Ja. 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 Okay, the only thing left to do after this is one GIF and a screenshot. And the screenshots. One GIF and the screenshots and we are finally done. What happened? Oh, it's loading. Okay. Interesting. I did all my capsules one at a time. Didn't know you could do a batch of them. Yeah. You learn something new every day. An uploaded hero image appears to contain the text or logo. Please submit the library hero image and the library logo image separately. Library hero. Does it? And the logo separately, okay. There's no text here, no way. Huh? How? No. Huh? I just did though. Huh? Steve! There's no text! Where do you see text? The mouse? The mice? Get fucked by AI? No way this is AI. No way. Use different browser? You can't be serious. Let's do the logo first. They wanted the logo. Maybe because they don't have the logo yet. Okay, so that worked. Let's get the... It was the library hero, right? Before continuing, confirm the images adhere to a standard. Submit a review, yeah? The strong black strokes look like text? No fucking way, man. Bro, they are using AI for this shit? Really? Changing from PNG to JPEG does nothing. This is so stupid. Sorry, but I think this is just dumb. If it's actually AI and I have to contact Steam support, it's fine. It's only the library asset, right? Then I have to write to Steam support, yeah. Fine. I'll write to Steam support. Yeah, the library hero is not that important. It's okay. Let's get the first GIF in. At least this is clean now. I'm happy about that. So Tangy TD. Tangy TD, press kit, game assets. I have to get rid of these 3. Shit. Middle ground and background have the oranges in them. I think you need separate images for the hero and logo. Yeah, but I do. I had that before. Like, literally my logo right now is the same, but I removed these 2 characters from the logo. It was literally the same. So it's fine. Let's get rid of this and put it into Tangy TD, Steam images, red potion capsule, put it here, replace. All right, okay, that's done. We need to update the GIFs. The first GIF, Ferry, is what we already have. And we're going to upload MP4. I think it's this one. No, that was not the one. I still have it open. Did I close it? I freaking closed it, of course. This was it. Yeah. Combine items ferry, number 2 GIF. Okay, we take number 2 GIF and we convert it to MP4. Do you know if you need a Steam Deck in order to get your game compatible for Steam Deck? I don't know, but I have the Steam Deck. I definitely have something. Like, definitely like some, where is it? They're telling me to check Steam Deck. So I need to do something there. Convert to MP4. Damn, that was fast. 5 megabytes download. Good stuff. Okay, that is the first GIF. Eh? So combine items number 2. And we're going to upload this to Steam now, to the store page, in favor of this. That'll be the first. We're going to get rid of that. Combine, equip and combine over 100 different items. That's the first. I don't think I need to show that you can move tangies, but yeah. And now I need to decide how many other GIFs I'll show. I'll probably just show a second one and that's it. Probably the endless mode with like massive on-screen explosions. For that I have to play the game again. And then now I need screenshots. I need screenshots and yeah, that's it. Okay, that's nice. It's saved. Let's save that. That was it, man. Looks nice. Thank you. Yeah, we are about to... Oh yeah, I also... Let's save this first though. Push to public. Let's upload the trailer, the latest one. Now, what dimensions have the trailer? Ah, I see. It's already been... Create. Oh wait, Tangy TD. Gameplay trailer. Create. Nice. Press kit, trailer, 1080p, thumbnail. Let's open that. Do I do official trailer? I guess I will. Wait. Not like this. Needs to be 1080p. 1920. Trailer thumbnail. Awesome. Got that too. Man, we are cooking. Once this is uploaded, we are cooking. Why did I mirror? The reason why I mirrored is because of the text. IGN puts the text on the bottom left. Oh, by the way, yeah, we were watching the trailer. Were we? Were we? Were we watching the trailer? I totally forgot. I think we were. And then I was a little bit sad about the encoder. For 1080... my wife's calling. God damn it, we're doing so good. Oh, I said my voice is quiet. Right. That's what I said. So I was like, I need to re-upload it. But then I also need to upload the trailer to Steam as well. Which means I need to re-render the trailer and make my voice a bit more loud. Okay. Good. So then basically all of the busy work is done today and then I can finally send out YouTube emails. Yeah, I'll be sending out those emails tonight. I will have to, like, you know, do the trailer thing here again. 3 decibels, I think, is fine. Let's listen to this. What if I do 3 decibels?
Tangy TD is all about combining items to create powerful builds which make damage numbers go crazy.
Should actually
you
be
play
more.
as hero in Tangy, who can freely move around, attack enemies and even reposition your towers. Enemies spawn in rounds and will try to destroy all the orange trees on the map. If they succeed, the game is lost. But fear not, there are multiple ways to stop them. Level up Tangy by attacking enemies and choose 1 out of 3 upgrades every time you level up. Place up to 3.
That's what it is. It'll be 5. Okay, that means I have to, at least I saved it, game trailer. We have to create a 1080 version and a 2K version again. Add, and then we change that to 1080p HD and add that too. So both of these I want to render too. Very nice. I hope my computer doesn't die doing that. All right, so we're gonna upload the trailer again for like the 3rd time. Then we are also going to upload the trailer to Steam. And then it's just a couple of screenshots, GIFs that I can do by playing my game. I'll play my game in endless mode and create 1 or 2 clips and upload them. Good stuff. Nice. So, and then tomorrow, I have all of this YouTube advertisement, trailer shenanigans, ferry changes done. If nothing goes badly, I have all of that done. And I can finally just work on the game again. Work on the game and start making shorts. Even though I don't expect much out of the shorts. I still have a couple of shorts I want to do. And a couple of Reddit posts. I think the Reddit posts went very well, even though it didn't convert that much into wish lists. Yeah. Doing good. Okay, anyways. What I'll do here is the following, guys. Okay? Because my wife's about to come here. Take your trailer and split into shots. We'll see. Where's Twitch? Good stuff. I'll send you over to Lana Looks, guys. I need to actually take a sleep because I've almost been awake for 24 hours. I'm surprised I'm not tired yet. I should sleep. Though I'll be sleeping, taking a rest. And then when I wake up, I do all of the busy work stuff. I think I've done the majority. Thank you guys for the feedback on the trailer. I'm happy that you like it. Awesome to hear. And yeah, thank you guys for joining on YouTube. Hope you had fun. If you want to support the game, here is the link one more time. If I can find it quickly enough. Here we go. This is the link if you want to wishlist the game, and on Twitch you guys too. And yeah, I'll see you all tomorrow. And then tomorrow we'll probably be working on the game again. Changing the game. If everything goes good. So yeah, have a wonderful evening, guys. Thank you very much for joining. Bye-bye. You're risking tomorrow now.